Hey y'all, hey, I am back with another wig video from Aorbige hair / Lush wigs. Let's get into it. Okay, this wig is 150 density, 16 inches with an HD lace featuring a fake scalp. Come on now, let's really get on how this unit is going to melt into our scalp. And they give us 2 wig caps, so we don't have to do no store runs. That's very much goated, very much goated. Now let's get into the luster of this wig. It is so pretty and it is so soft to the touch. Oh my god, I'm absolutely in love. Now look at this lace, y'all. This is HD lace. Oh my gosh, you see how see-through it is? That means it is going to melt. And that little clear piece you see is actually the fake scalp. And they also provide us with an extra elastic that is adjustable, so we can make sure this wig is customized and fit to our head. And now these are detachable, as we are going to see. But you also do have the regular straps, so if you don't want to use that, you are more than welcome. And we're just gonna get one more look at this fake scalp, you guys. It is so goated, and this lace, I'm telling you, it is going to melt into your scalp. And it is not pre-plucked, but the front of the unit, like the very front, is actually super natural. I do recommend plucking the sides. So now you guys are going to see me install it, and please enjoy.
How you want me when you got a girl? I'm feeling this reckless, I'm knowing it's selfish, I'm knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love, like do it till last. Hanging on through back, all of it you last. Like, is you coming home, is you out with her? I don't care long as you here, but that's 30, no later than drop them draws, give me what I want. Send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta stay, I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm staying, what kind of days? It's 2 days. I need me like about 4 of them, on you, on me, on us. Just tell me you want me there one day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been praying for. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. My man is your man, heard it's her man too. My man is your man, heard that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him you want me when you got a girl? Feeling is reckless, I'm doing it selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till last. Hanging out the back, all of it you last. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them draws, give me what I want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. Do take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta stay, I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm staying, what kind of days? It's 2 days, I need me like about 4 of them, on you, on me, on us. Just tell me you want me there one day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been praying for. 10:30, no later than drop them draws. I know what you want. My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. Do take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way.
I saw you walking down the railroad, angel straight out of heaven. I was blown away by your sexiness. All you do is catch up to you. Slow down, I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause the pretty round thing always follows me. Slow down, never seen anything so good. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Oh, you, a butterfly tattoo right above your navel. Your belly button's pierced too, just like I like it, girl. Come and take a walk with me. You'll be impressed by.
Alright, y'all. The devil was really, when I say he was trying to stop this video. He was trying to. Literally last night, guys, my phone was like no more storage. It was super hot. It was overheating. So I was like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? So I let it marinate overnight, and that's the one wig tip I can always give. Don't over spray and over tint your lace until the next day when you see it's truly ashy, because like I was saying before, the lace will oxidize and everything will kind of start to balance out. I know it may look a little crazy in a moment, but you just got to see it through, my boy. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, like, can we get into it? It's so pretty. 16 inches, like I said in the beginning. What lace? This is probably one of the nicest units I have on my YouTube page, because it is giving what it should give. And as I said in the beginning, this gives fake scalp, so I did apply a little powder just to make it match my personal preference, but you do not have to do that. This is a frontal, so we go on here. I could have did half of that down. I could do any part, so y'all can see. Okay, like, it takes the heat very well. As you guys see, it is very pretty straight. It is so soft. Oh my god, I know I'm probably super repetitive from the beginning, but I wanted to verbally tell you guys, not voiceover Deasia, talking to you guys, just so you guys can know this is 150 density, and it is very much 150 density. Like, do not think you're gonna get more, do not think you're gonna get less. It is perfect. This will be actually so pretty as a bob cut, or a little like right here, which I might do. because it's becoming bob season, ladies, and we need to bob it out. So please let me know what you guys are feeling. This is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, Aorbige, for sponsoring this video on this Thanksgiving. Guys, put in the comment one thing you are grateful for. I am grateful for my family because, child, one thing I done learn in college is a lot of people don't got a lot of family. So I'm so grateful for them. But please put in the comments what are you grateful for. I'm also grateful for this unit because it's giving. It is giving. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Once again, I know it's a little bit dysfunctional, but thanks for seeing it to the end. And once again, do not forget to hit that subscribe button because we are 197 followers. By the end of this year, we will reach 200 subscribers, and we will go into the new year with over 200 subscribers, which is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really wanted to do Vlogmas, but I have not made my entry yet. So unless I'm paying someone, I don't know, and I'm not sure where I'll get this content from. And also, guys, please let me know in the comments box what is one color you guys would like to see me next year. It could be a super crazy color, it could be rainbow, or it could just be blonde again, or a jet black booty wig. Let me know in the comments so I can give you guys what you want. Bye, guys.